Taco Cabana. Who else was that? Mercury Girl, 68. Ooh, you were born in 68? She had a Mercury, y'all. Imagine a woman born in 68, so she in the 50s now. And she used to have a Mercury probably back in 77. Ooh, I bet she thought she was doing something like it wasn't nothing. Laura Lee. Oh, shit. Laura. Hey, girl. We got Laura Lee from TikTok, y'all. Where you from, Laura? Uh-oh, Mercury Girl said yes. Carlos, Eagle Bigger. Carlos Eagle Bigger. Boy, that sound like a name. I don't know what. It sound like you drive a Saab or a Volkswagen. Yeah. She was 9, look out. Oh, damn. So close to 900 in the chat, y'all. Laura Lee sound like a singer. Oh, shit, he done dropped this bitch at the line. Pyrex in here. Oh, what the kind of name? Tahiki? What's that? Oh, I can't see that name. Tahira. Hey, Tahira, I know. Tahira, where you from, Tahira? Is Limpy at Yello Belly? Nah, he ain't here. Usually he be in my chat. He must be doing something today. Uh-oh, shit. Okay, 716 Carbon just came from TikTok. What's up with it? 48% over. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Okay, let's go over here. Yeah, he wasn't in the groove at all. He just was driving, y'all. Let's see what we got coming up next. Hey, look. Yeah, I already gave them a card. Let me see. Yeah, I gave them a card already. I already gave them a card. We got Punch Hernandez, just came from TikTok. Look out, Punch. I used to know a Punch. Back over there in Cali. I wonder how he doing. Old Punch. Shout out to my boy G2K one more time for the one time. He in the chat doing his thing. Mercury Girl, what size you got? She don't know what to pick. This Infinity got an exhaust leak. Left lane for the win. Okay. G37 for the win. TikTok is going. Oh, hey! We got all y'all on my YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, subscribe.
Yes, subscribe. Sígame a mi canal.
Yeah.
Dile tu tío. Dile tu. Yeah, I got some stickers too for you. I'm finna get you one. Yeah, make sure you. Did you dile tu tío? Mira. Dile tu tío. Hold on, let me see. I got a sticker for you. I'm finna go get it real quick. I'm finna go get it for you. Hold on, let me go get the sticker. Venezuela. Hold on. Man, where the stickers at? Hey, hold on, I'll be right back. Let me go get some more stickers, y'all. truck got his ass. I'm finna have to go around there and get some more stickers. I gotta go to the car, y'all. We got it cammed up. What y'all know about this? Let me see. I love it. Look, I'll show you. I love it. Hey, it's working then. Where y'all going, man? Yeah. Damn, he got trans bait 2-step on this. I like the way this thing run, y'all. What time is it over? About 12. Christopher Howard just came from TikTok. It sounds like he went to college. Christopher, you went to college? Bet he went to college. His mama don't play that. Bet his mama and daddy don't play. What I tell y'all? He could have let him get out there a little bit more than that. Let me go try to. Well, I'm thirsty.
Look out.
Huh?
Come on, man.
What happened?
You can play with him.
Yeah.
You can play with him.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see you do a race.
With who? Who I need to do?
Right here.
I can't do it. I already lost.
What?
I can't beat him.
No way.